'Cause you're my boombox, baby. You can say anything. Blow my speakers out with you. Big reputation. Ooh, you and me, we got big reputations. And you heard about it.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. All night long. Girls like boys like me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be making some DIY room decor. Not only is this project super easy and simple, you can also change it out to fit your personality, your room, or the space you're just using this DIY for. Now that you guys know all the details, let's hop right into this video. So to start this really cute DIY, you'll be needing some photographs and some wall putty. This is going to be used to prevent kind of the tape residue on your wall. So as you can see, the first step is to decide your photos. So I am choosing on my photos right now. They can be any size, whatever kind of photos you want. Next, you're going to want to put some wall putty on the back of your photos and then just stick them to the wall, or maybe even a piece of paper that you are wanting to decorate your space with some adorable little photos. And as you can see, I really recommend using the wall putty because tape can sometimes stick to the back of your photos and peel tape off the wall or wreck your photo. You know, tape is just kind of a hassle. Some other ideas if you don't have a lot of photos printed out is, as you can see here, I used a ticket from the Katy Perry concert I went to, and it was super fun. But yeah, so you guys can just have fun with this one. Now that you guys have seen this video, I really hope you guys are going to rewatch it and try this DIY. Make sure to check out my Instagram and as well as my vlog channel. If I can figure out how to link videos, they'll be in the description below. But yeah, so also don't forget to check out my most recent video that I've posted and click on my face right down there to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!